Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you guys some of the tops that you can easily wear for your gym and look very chic. So these all tops are from Bonkers Corner. So one day I was randomly checking out Instagram. You know, हम लोग रात को check करते हैं and then we see some sponsored post, we visit the website, we like few stuff and then we order it. So exactly that's what happened with me. So I saw their advertisement on stories and I ended up on their website. I really loved their collection and I placed order for some of the items. So ये सारे tops आप लोगों ने मेरे को पहने हुए देख लिया होगा if you are following me on Instagram, and if you are not following me there, please go ahead and follow me on Instagram because I post lot more personal stuff there. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So the first top that I got from Bonkers Corner is this one. It's a The Weeknd tank top और ये side से काफी ज़्यादा slit है इसके अंदर. So it really looks very good, especially when I do my upper body because I really like to have a very loose t-shirt क्योंकि वो मुझे काफी ज़्यादा comfort देता है. If my upper body top is very tight, I really feel restricted while lifting weights. So this is really good in that case. And obviously आप ये सारे tops जो है normal life में भी wear कर सकते हैं. But I just like to have these for my gym. And इसका एक जो मुझे problem लगता है वो ये है कि इसके नीचे की जो finishing है that's not good. So the cloth has kind of rolled out, which does not really give a very clean look. तो यहाँ पे अगर थोड़ी अच्छी stitching करी होती और close करा होता तो अच्छा रहता. But now this has started rolling up, so that's the only problem I have with this top. Otherwise the color looks good. And also when I purchased this top, I was really obsessed with The Weeknd Starboy and I was listening that song on loop. So yeah, somewhere I felt that connection and I ended up purchasing this one. So the next top I got from Bonkers Corner is this crop top, and this one is again extra small and you guys can see the print. It really looks very cool. It says boy, I already forgot you exist, which I really find very chic. So I got this, and अगर आप देखो तो extra small भी काफी ज़्यादा बड़ा है, काफी loose and boxy top है. The only problem I have is that since I have very heavy breast, तो ये बिल्कुल यहाँ पे end होता है मेरे. So obviously my sports bra is visible, so I prefer to wear this only in gym and not outside. Then the next top is something that I was asked about a lot कि ये वाला top मैंने कहाँ से लिया है, and it's this neon green lime top, and this is sleeveless. It's in the size large and इसके ऊपर लिखा हुआ है fragile. So this one is really trendy. As you guys know, neon tops are in trend and this really looks good. And I also have a neon shoes, तो वो उसके साथ बहुत अच्छे से pair होता है. And I'll insert a picture or a video here जहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो how it looked on me. And as you guys can see, this is a racer back sleeveless top. So every time I wear racer back or sleeveless top during winter, so मुझे ये बहुत ज़्यादा problem हो जाती है patchiness और फ्लेकीनेस और ड्राइनेस की, क्योंकि बिल्कुल वाइट सा आपका बॉडी दिखने लगता है बिकॉज योर body is dehydrated and dry, so वो बिल्कुल भी देखने में अच्छा नहीं लगता. इसलिए I have started using Mamaearth Uptan body lotion. So this has the nourishing and moisturizing benefit of turmeric, cocoa butter, shea butter and olive oil. This lotion sinks deep into the skin layer and keeps it hydrated for a long time. Mamaearth is a PETA certified plastic positive brand, and every time you place an order on Mamaearth's website, आपका जो order है वो एक tree से link कर दिया जाएगा जिसका geolocation, picture और species name will be sent to you. And also if you use my code SOMI2021, you can get 20% off on Mamaearth's website. You can also purchase this product from Mamaearth's website, Amazon, Purple and Nykaa. अब इसके बाद again I have this top which is again sleeveless and it has written Coca-Cola, which looks so vintage, so retro, gives me that बिल्कुल vintage retro vibe and it really looks good when I wear this. A lot of people have asked me कि ये भी मैंने कहाँ से लिया है. So this one is from Bonkers Corner. Now the last top is something that I don't wear that much in gym, but I really love this, and it's this one. It's called it's a very normal t-shirt, but there is one catch. यहाँ पे mood लिखा हुआ है, and if you guys can see, so if I turn off the light, neon light reflect करता है. And that's not the only best part about this top. It also has this thing. Oh my god, this looks so cool. So anytime I don't want to talk to anyone in the gym, I can just show them my back and they should get the idea. So this one was the most expensive out of the entire haul, but I truly love this one. Obviously I cannot wear this to my office, but for a casual day out and for my gym, obviously I wear this. It's really good when you want to feel very comfortable. If you are doing Zumba or cardio, you really don't want something hugging you very tightly. In that cases, you can obviously go for loose tops like this. So yeah guys, that was it for my video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, then please give this video a like, and also let me know if you want to see more gym wear hauls, because every time I post my gym outfit, मुझसे हमेशा ही पूछा जाता है ये कहाँ से है, वो कहाँ से है. So I have never done such kind of hauls on my channel. This is going to be the first haul. So if you guys would like it, I'll keep on doing more hauls on this channel. So do let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And also follow me on Instagram. Bye.